Good day, viewers. Today I'm going to teach you again how to treat candidiasis with this herb. It's called Aconfirm Tico, and we mostly people call it different chiriwa. It has a secret name. So to treat white, I'm telling you, you get this herb, you go to this herb and get it, a large quantity of these herbs. Then you go and get charan momodika charantia, that's nyinya. You get nyinya with this one and get the local garlic. Then you grind them together, the local garlic, nyinya, and with this one. That's if you want to treat severe candidiasis. You know, a lot of women have this problem that men leave their girlfriends, men leave their wives because of white. Some ladies, when they open up, it's very sinful and bad. White is not good. Some men will run away from you. Men too have this white, their penises will become small, killing them slowly. So if you want to cure yourself from complete white, eliminate it from yourself and become more whole and be cured completely. You woman want to have a fresh, lovely, smelling life with your husband to enjoy you all the time, you need to get this Aconfirm Tico. That's chiriwa. Then you get nyinya. Go and get nyinya, the one the gachis used to wear on their, always wear on their their shoulders on occasions. Then you get the local garlic, cut it into pieces. Then what you do? You pound it together. You pound it, get a bowl, put it inside and stir. It will turn to green color. Then you get a bottle container like the Voltic or the, Alive mineral water dams, Then you pour the solution water inside the bottle and be drinking. I'm telling you, this 1 Voltic to 2, 3 Voltic mineral waters for like 7 days, your white will be completely eliminated and you begin to celebrate and be happy. So this, if you're a new person here, I want to subscribe. I'm going to teach more things about this, Aconfirm Tico, and you will love it and celebrate me and love me and kiss me and call me and be happy. Yeah, man.